Jihadis in Pakistan continue tapping into zakat, the surplus wealth to charity and other Quranic tax revenues to wage jihad. In Charsada town in Pakistan, militants belonging to different jihadi organizations forcibly collect wheat from the locals in the name of zakat and ushra. And it goes beyond the imposition of religious protection taxes. Pakistan Taliban's finances come from a variety of sources ranging from timber trade, precious stone, mining and others. And this is happening under the nose of Pakistan's administration. Observers believe that finances at the disposal of Taliban will enable them to sustain jihadi activities in Pakistan and outside the country.
Pakistan is producing terrorist, Islamic extremism and terrorism, promoting that throughout Pakistan through its ISI-funded, sponsored madrasas and institutions. These all activities and the terrorists that they are exporting to bleed people in the neighborhood, India, Afghanistan, and even they have sent wherever you see there is a terrorist act, you will see Pakistan's footprints are there.
In April 2008, the Taliban took over the Ziyarat marble quarry, a white marble mine in the Muhammad tribal district for organizational revenues. Another lucrative source of income for them are the Swat forests, and the symbiotic tie between Taliban militants and the timber mafia in Swat and nearby Dir is no secret. Pakistan is suffering the loss of 65 billion rupees annually from illegal timber trade while government agencies sit idle. These sources, which could have been utilized to stabilize the country's economy, are being used by the Taliban for jihad.
There's a lot of evidence that the Taliban are being supported by the Pakistan government, one way or another. And it may not be the government itself, it may be former government officials, so what I call the ISI Alumni Association, former members of the intelligence services which have joined the Taliban or work with the Taliban.
The Pakistan regime and its military seem helpless while the Taliban continues to harness the country's resources to fund jihad and has successfully organized an exploitative but functioning financial system. It's a huge threat, not just for the world but also for the people of Pakistan.